Leak shows EU police aim to create an international facial recognition database. The system was proposed by police forces from 10 EU nations, and it could be expanded to cover the US. EU police forces plan to build a network of national police facial recognition databases that spans across every member state, according to internal documents obtained by the Intercept. The report from national police forces of 10 EU member states, led by Austria, called for new EU legislation that would enable this interconnected database to be created as quickly as possible. The document was circulated among officials last November. The Intercept reports that preparatory work on the legislation is already underway. The report was produced as part of discussions to add facial images to the remit of the Prüm Convention, which currently allows member states to exchange DNA, fingerprints, and vehicle registration data. It calls for Europol, the EU's law enforcement agency, to play a role in exchanging biometric data with countries outside the bloc, raising concerns that the system could be connected to facial recognition databases in the US. The US has been pushing hard to gain greater access to EU data since 2004, when the US Embassy in Brussels called for a relationship that lets us join forces with EU members in combating crime and terrorism through expansive exchanges and sharing all forms of data, including personal data. Read, report, Trump offered Julian Assange a pardon in exchange for saying Russia didn't hack the DNC. The US already requires countries in its visa waiver program, which include most EU member states, to adopt data sharing agreements that allow their agencies to access one another's fingerprint and DNA databases. Edin Omanovich, the advocacy director of campaign group Privacy International, told The Intercept that there was a major risk of the system being used for illegal politically motivated surveillance. This is concerning on a national level and on a European level, especially as some EU countries veer towards more authoritarian governments, he said. EU changes tune on facial recognition. For more on this story, visit the news article link.